we have 30 centimeters to 3 meters. Because we need to simplify this ratio, let me remind you first that 1 meter is equal 100 centimeters. So now, what I will do first, I will copy our numerator 30 centimeters and I will rewrite our denominator that this is 3 times 1 meter. 3 times 1 meter is 3 meters. I didn't change anything. And now 1 meter I will substitute by 100 centimeters. So numerator we will rewrite, and in the numerator we will have 3 times, like I said, 100 centimeters. So this is equal. Now we can reduce centimeters. And what else? 0 and 0, 3 with 3. So we have 1 in numerator only, and denominator is 10. So we have ratio 1/10. This is my solution.